Hi, this is Ellen from the Chili Dog. Today I'm working on a slipstream cardigan, and I thought this would be a great time to discuss four directional knitting terms that are used in almost every pattern: right side, wrong side, front, and back. Let's start with the right side and wrong side. The right and wrong sides of knitting refer to the orientation of the finished fabric. The right side is the side that people will see when the fabric is in use. The wrong side is the side that people probably won't see. I'm making a sweater, and I want people to see these pretty cables that I'm knitting, so this is the right side of my fabric. This is the wrong side of my fabric. It's going to be up against my body when I wear the sweater, and no one but me is ever going to see it. No matter which way I'm holding my knitting in my hands as I work, the wrong side is always going to be the side that people probably won't see in my finished piece. And the right side is the part of my fabric that I want people to see in the end. Front and back refer to the orientation of the fabric as you're holding it in your hands to knit. When you knit, you're always looking at the front of your work, and you can't see the back of your work. If I were to start knitting across this row right now, the right side of my fabric would be at the front, and the wrong side of my fabric is at the back. Then I'd knit all the way across the row, and when I got done, I would turn my fabric over so I could knit in the other direction. Now, when I'm holding the fabric in my hands, the wrong side is at the front, and the right side is at the back. Front and back refer to the orientation of the fabric as you're knitting. I hope it was helpful to learn about right side, wrong side, front and back. Until we stitch again, happy knitting.